What's up everyone, welcome to part 4 of our JavaScript tutorials. In this video we're going to be talking about syntax.
Syntax is the set of principal rules which dictates the behavior and structure of a language. These syntactic rules can change from language to language, but at their core, they serve the same purpose. Programmers utilize each programming language accordingly to communicate data and instructions within their programs and to other software applications, operating systems, and hardware to accomplish a variety of tasks. As such, JavaScript programs are made up of instructions which an interpreter, such as your web browser, can execute. Just like how a paragraph can be broken down into a sentence and so forth, JavaScript instructions are sets of statements composed of expressions, keywords, values, operators, comments, and more. Confused yet? Don't be.
Stay and help you, I will. Find your friend.
There are a few things about JavaScript syntax that I want to touch on in this video, but there will be a lot of videos following this building onto it.
So let's go over a couple of the basic rules in JavaScript. First I want to talk about literals, or fixed values. Numbers can be typed with or without a decimal, and strings will be contained between double or single quotes. Next we have keywords. Keywords are identifiers which are recognized by an interpreter. For example, var tells the browser to create a new variable. Var x equals 2 is an example of a statement, and in JavaScript, statements are always ended by a semicolon. Now let's talk about operators. The assignment operator, also known as the equals sign, is used to assign variables to a new value. There are also arithmetic operators such as plus and minus, modulus, multiplication, increment, or decrement. And we also have comparison or logical operators. These are used to check the current state or value of a variable compared to another. Expressions are combinations of values, variables, and operators which are used to evaluate or compute a new value. It's very important to know that JavaScript is case sensitive, so the variable dog is not the same as the variable dog with a capital D. Also, in keywords such as if, a capital I, F, is not the same as IF, if. When naming variables in JavaScript, there are popular naming conventions. One of them includes hyphens. This would be putting hyphens in between multiple words. Programmers are also known to use underscores, and my favorite, camel case or camelback.
It's entirely your preference, but I've seen a lot of JavaScript programmers begin with a lowercase.
All of these rules will be covered in more depth in later videos, but I wanted to cover the basics in this one. In the next video we're going to go over JavaScript statements, so stay tuned.